Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Now today I just want to show you how to acquire member registration number for NSSF. So what you're supposed to do here is to click on member registration. You click on that. You'll have to wait for the page to load. Yes, it has given us this page. So let me zoom it so that you can understand the details which are here in this form. So this form, you are supposed to put the username, and remember the username is supposed to be more than 8 characters, and then you come here to password, and you will be required to confirm the password. Make sure that the password you have put here, you just note it down on a paper so that you cannot forget. So you'll proceed down here where you'll be required to fill out the nationality, and you'll be required to click on that question mark, and there it will bring a box where you will be required to put the name of the country, starting with the capital letters, and then you search. And once you search, it will reveal the code for the country down there, and they will be required to do what? To select, and it will bring it to this one here. So one thing for sure is that I have already done this before. So the code for Kenya is 4.24, and once you indicate that, it will automatically bring Kenya there, as you can see there. So I have saved you time. So you'll be required to proceed by using now your ID. You put the surname, and then you put your first name, and you put the middle name. You continue with the gender, whether you are female or male. Then you still proceed with the country of birth, and since you have already known the code, you have to put that code down here. So you proceed with date of birth. And there's one thing I want to let you know, is that the things which they have put stars are mandatory. There's no way you can jump them. So you continue with this process. Then you go down here where they have said employment date. You'll have to click on you have to put the date in which you are employed, and if you are not employed, you just put, maybe you are operating the business, you have put the time that you started your business, or you can put any date just there. So you continue, you like ID document, you select, you click on that, then you select if it is ID you use or passport, you select, and then you put there the ID number. Now here they have said voluntary, and then they have said no or yes. So voluntary, it means that which category are you? Are you employed or self-employed? Or you are voluntarily going to come up with you are going to contribute for NSSF as self-employed. That's why they have said voluntary. So if you are employed, it means that you are going to fill out the employer ID, and if you are not employed, you'll have to say yes. You are making it a voluntary, you have to say yes. And once you say yes, it means that this employer ID will not be there. And then you proceed down here. You put the member permanent address, put there, and then you put the code for that particular address that you have put, like this question mark. You click on it, you type that place, and then the code will be accumulated for you. You go down here where they have said home details, you put the county, you just click on that question mark, you click in the box that will come, and then you key in the county, and then you'll be able to select it. The code will come here automatically. You continue to district, you continue to location, like that, and until you reach here where you'll be required to put this code you have seen here, and then you click save. So once you save, it will again fill out the details automatically. Then it will now require you once again to verify the password as you have put, and then you come back here where they could have given you another code. You click save, and once you save, it will automatically bring you to this page. It means that the application has been successful, and now you'll be able to be given the NSSF member number, so that now you can proceed with maybe the payment or the contribution, like that. So guys, if you found this video productive and you want to support my channel, please continue to subscribe to my channel, give it a like, give it a comment, and then maybe you can give me a topic in which you would want me to cover in the next video. So guys, thank you so much for passing by. Remember to be part of the family.